Paul Andrews, Director of Business and Operations at EDC. Currently, I serve as the Director of Business and Operations at EDC, where I'm responsible to oversee strategic objectives, optimize operations, and drive business growth. UAE being known as a global hub for innovation, and you get a global exposure here, and it's a no-brainer choice. I mean, working here at UAE is always a privilege. When I joined EDC, it gave me a lot of exposure around the global arena. Talking about EDC being a semi-government entity, it stands out for its excellent offerings in the market and the reputation that is created over the last 2 decades. After gaining my expertise, several years of expertise in the role of operations, technology, and projects, now I lead cross-functional teams and drive business growth at EDC. My perspective on digital transformation, has come from my personal and professional experience over the past years. I have seen the transformation in customer communications from the era of paper to digital. Having managed this kind of particular projects, I have gained a lot of experience and understood that digital transformation is not only about technology. It's about bringing, it's collaborating people, processes, and tools to deliver value to the customers. That's the learning that I have got from this years of experience. And keeping the emerging trends which are happening in the digital transformation world, it keeps me to be always updated and upskill myself to learn about the customers and to learn about the industry that we serve, and most importantly, the value that we can provide to the customers. EDC's customer communication platform is a centralized platform where it enables organizations to centrally manage all their communications. It helps them to create, personalize the communications, manage those particular communications, and deliver those particular communications through omni-channel platforms. That's the beauty of EDC CCM's capabilities. As a broader vision of EDC wanted to be a leading digital solution provider in the communications because we started our journey in communications through paper. And it is apparent for us to transit our identity to digital solutions provider and be a leading solution provider in the customer communication space. And the trust and the expertise that we have gained over the years has helped us to achieve that particular thing. We want to evolve in the customer communication space. We wanted to keep improvising and bring in new technologies. That's the whole objective that we have. And we have seen organizations adapting to this particular technology very well. EDC's customer communication management solution is a combination of multiple modules. Unlike any other solution in the market where it helps to create and deliver the communications, we don't limit ourselves only in that. Our solutions start from creating that particular data, ingesting the data from multiple streams, personalizing that particular data, and then deliver them. So we manage the complete customer communication management life cycle. That is one of the key differentiators that we bring in to the market. The second thing is customers, they wanted to have a solution which provides security and aligns with the compliance requirements. And that's another feature that we bring into the CCM platform, where we, even though we manage high volume customers' data, we make sure that the data is contained and processed and managed effectively within the regulations and satisfy the customers' needs at the end. So EDC CCM platform is not only a solution; it's a platform where customers can able to organize their content, and they can able to deliver a meaningful, personalized communication to their customers. Whether you want to deliver that particular communications through print, email, or an SMS, CCM solution helps you to maintain the same kind of a tone and the brand within any channel that you deliver to your customers. That's one of the unique features that we see, and then that's a standout for the CCM platform. The second thing that what we see is when the volume grows, when the complexity grows, and you wanted to integrate with multiple channels or multiple internal systems, CCM is more flexible in adapting to that. We have integrated legacy systems in our platforms, so there is not much changes on the customer side. They have the ability to retain whatever that they have, but enhance their their communications into a newer in the new platforms. So that integration is very seamless, and CCM is able to do that particular thing. In my opinion, any business vertical where there is large volume of communications going day in, day out, CCM will be a best solution for them. We are talking about industries like banking and finance, insurance, government, transport divisions. So these are all verticals where day in, day out there are communications going to their customers. So when you're specifically talking about banking and financial, there are different types of communications like statements, notifications, your transactional notifications that goes on day in, day out through SMSs, VAT communications. So these are all critical and compliance communications where you need to have a solution where you're able to manage, articulate it in a proper way, and personalize them and deliver it on time to the customers. CCM brings that particular capabilities. And having said that, even emerging industries like education and healthcare can also benefit from CCM. So they are using traditional communication methods to transact with their customers, but CCM can be a good fit for their digital transformation initiatives. After implementing EDC's CCM solutions, I have, after interacting with multiple customers, they have seen tremendous increase in customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. So when you talk about operational efficiencies, but in particular, the earlier communication methodologies that they used to follow were predominantly manual driven. They had a lot of manual processes to communicate, to create the communications and deliver it to the customers, where CCM helps them to automate most of these particular processes. When it comes to customer satisfactions, when you deliver a personalized communication and a meaningful communication to the customers, the customer satisfaction rate increases. And that's one of the beautiful achievement that we have seen customers implementing CCM. Heavy industries like banking and insurance, they depend on compliance and regulatory requirements. CCM is capable to meet those particular things when they deliver the communications. So these are the immediate benefits that I can able to see of organization implementing CCM. At EDC, we are actively integrating AI into our CCM platform. We are using machine learning to understand the data patterns and create a strategy to personalize the communications in a better way. We are also actively pursuing customer journey mapping and using predictive analysis to provide more insights from the data to our customers. Apart from this, we are also continuously bringing in a lot of automation workflows where you can able to reduce manual interventions in the processes and improve more efficiency and provide value to our customers. To businesses considering investing in CCM, it's not only about improving communications. It's about a strategic decision to provide value to your customers and improve your customer experience. CCM investment is a very strategic investment. It's not only about cost savings. It's a long-term plan where you keep optimizing your interactions with your communications, provide meaningful conversations, create meaningful conversations to your customers, and at the same time scalable solutions, which will keep evolving according to the market needs and the market trends, with greater data security and compliance requirements. So when you invest on a CCM, you need to consider all these particular facts and make a proper strategic decisions to get a good and robust CCM platform for your needs. To learn more about CCM, please reach out to us today.